Hi, my name is Denis Minin. I'm from Moscow, Russia, and I'm here at the Running Tea company Boba Trading. Now, back in Moscow, I run a company that does ingredients for the bakeries in Gorica, and we know that there is a new trend, the boba tea trend. So we came here to learn everything about it first, and that's a great opportunity because here we could try different recipes. We could see which of the things work for our market, which of the things don't work for our market, what are the most interesting things for the locals, what are the most interesting things for us, and we could more or less experiment with different products. So this is why I feel this training is excellent because it allows you to customize your own experience and get what you actually need in very short time, try everything, and then come home with certain ideas in mind that you can use right away. So I would recommend anybody who wants to learn about the boba tea for their tea shop, who wants to learn about the ingredients for that, or who actually wants to learn about this market, to start here at Running Tea Company.